Good afternoon, ma'am. Do you know why I stopped you?
Honestly, I'm not sure, officer. Was I speeding?
Yes, you were going 50 in a 35 zone.
Oh, I didn't realize. I'm really sorry about that. I guess I wasn't paying close attention.
It happens, but it's important to keep an eye on the speed limit. This area has a lot of pedestrians.
You're right. I usually drive carefully, but today I was in a bit of a hurry.
Where are you headed, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm on my way to meet a friend for lunch. I didn't want to be late, but that's no excuse.
I understand. Safety is more important than rushing. May I see your driver's license and registration, please?
Of course, here they are.
Thank you. Please stay in the car while I check this.
Sure, no problem.
All right, everything looks good with your paperwork.
That's a relief. Thank you, officer.
I'm giving you a warning this time. Please make sure to watch your speed, especially in residential areas like this.
I understand completely. I'll be more careful from now on.
Good. It's better to arrive a few minutes late than risk an accident.
You're absolutely right. Thanks for reminding me.
Good afternoon. I pulled you over. Do you know why?
Honestly, I'm not sure, officer.
You were driving over the limit. And your car was swerving a little.
I didn't realize. I'm really sorry about that.
Sir, I also see a bottle on your seat. Have you been drinking today?
No, officer. I swear I wasn't drinking. I just bought it for a friend.
I need you to be honest with me. Your safety and others' safety depend on it.
I understand. I had one sip earlier, but I'm not drunk.
Even one sip before driving is dangerous. This area is full of families and kids.
I won't. I promise. Thank you for not giving me a harsher penalty.
Good afternoon. I stopped you. Do you know why?
Honestly, I don't. Officer, was I going too fast?
Yep. Yes, you were. You were going 50 in a 35 zone.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I'm really sorry. My mind must have been somewhere else.
It happens. But I need you to slow down. There are a lot of pedestrians around here.
You're right. I usually drive carefully, but today I was in a bit of a rush.
Where were you heading today, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm on my way to meet a friend. I didn't want to be late, but yeah, that's not a real excuse.
I understand. Safety comes before everything. Could I see your license and registration, please?
Of course, officer. Here you go. I've got everything ready for you.
Good. Better to arrive late than risk an accident.